Gentlemen, hello and welcome. I am Xccept, and today I'll be showing you what a Gateron yellow sounds like within this YouTube short. So if you did find this short enjoyable, then please leave a like. I do have a video coming out this Sunday on how to play Smoke, so subscribe so you'll get a notification when that comes out, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.